How money makes money. You can purchase more things, and save, the more money you have. Saving enables you to invest, and gain more, to invest again. And in business, that is also what takes place. The more employment generated, more businesses are established. Keep in mind that, the more money you have, if you put it in the right places, the more it can grow. Let's discuss it. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Investing. One of the finest ways money makes money is through investing. Investing is an excellent choice if you want to put cash into something that has the potential to increase in value over time. There are several methods to invest, and each offers benefits and drawbacks of its own. Stock market investments are among the most popular. When you buy stocks, you are acquiring a stake in a business that's anticipated to be profitable in the future. Although investing in the stock market can be risky, it can also be quite lucrative. The use of mutual funds is another method. This collects money from many different investors, and invests it in a range of different securities. As you don't have to worry about selecting the correct asset, or making too many investments at once, this might be a fantastic method to begin investing. Number 2. High-yield savings account. This makes you more money, because the return on your deposited funds is often larger than a conventional savings account. Make sure to ask your bank for more info on high-yield savings. Number 3. Real estate. When it comes to real estate investing, there are a few factors you need to take into account. Make sure you have a thorough grasp of the market you are investing in. And have a clear strategy in place for accomplishing your financial goals. It's important to read and fully comprehend the real estate industry before you invest money into it. Number 4. Entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur can make you quite wealthy. Start a company, and manage every aspect of it. Invest in the skills needed to make it grow. You'll have the power to make choices that will impact your business and revenue. Being an entrepreneur is the way to go if you want to build wealth, and have your money make more money. Number 5. More than one source of income. Having several sources will undoubtedly help you earn more money. This allows you to diversify income. The benefits are having alternatives, in case one revenue stream stops, or isn't enough. We have articles on how money makes money in our blog, braylenav.com. Don't forget to visit us, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is down below. Number 6. Retirement account. The advantages of investing in a retirement account are numerous. Most times, these accounts are tax-deferred, so you won't have to pay taxes on the money until you remove it. Putting money into a retirement account might provide you the chance to increase it over time. You may receive a sizable return on your investment as a result, which may enable you to retire early. Real riches can only be attained by making your money make more money. To do this, have enough cash to invest in a variety of options. This can be accomplished by investing in yourself, increasing your income, and investing the remaining funds into an income-producing asset. Successful investors have mastered the art of earning income from their assets, even while they sleep. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have 2 more Millionaire videos for you.